Sports Minister Manohar Asgaonkar apologized to the Legislative Assembly for using unparliamentary language over the discussion on the hosting of the national games in the state. Earlier, Speaker Pratap Singh Rane was forced to adjourn the question hour of the budget session after a heated debate on infrastructure creation for the national games turned unruly. Speaker of the Goa Legislative Assembly termed the incident as the most unfortunate and advised the members not to repeat the same in the House.
Goa Legislative Assembly witnessed one of the most unfortunate incidents which saw the disparaging remarks. House had to be adjourned till 2:30 p.m. However, scenes were completely different when the House reassembled in the afternoon as the Sports Minister Manohar Asgaonkar offered the apology.
Chief Minister, you would like to say something because I don't like what's happening in the House. For the last 4 years, nothing of this sort of incident has taken place. I think there has to be restraint on everybody's part. After all, this is a democracy. If you want to go and fight, go on the streets and fight. This is a forum for discussion, healthy discussion, in the interest of the state. It is not in the interest of anybody, single person. We have to control ourselves. There was only one incident in the House, I recall, years back, which my colleague Mr. Narvekar just mentioned, while having lunch, mentioned to me that such and such thing had happened when we were in the Assembly. That was the only incident in Goa, which put us all to shame. But I don't think we should again repeat such a thing.
हांव चुकला हांव म्हणटा ह्या हावसा भितर की एक स्पिडीन तो शब्द भायर सरलो अशें आनी ताजे बद्दल हावसाकय फिलिंग जाला ताजे बद्दल हांव हावसाची माफी मागता की जो शब्दा बद्दल हांव जो उलयला त्या बद्दल आनी ओपोजिशनाकय हांव सांगपाक इच्छिता स्पीकर सर ह्या हावसान म्हाका कोणाचे आरोप करपाचे ना इतलेच की इनडायरेक्टली म्हाकाय कांय म्हणचें न्ही
ताणें हावसाची माफी मागल्या त्यामुळे फक्त शब्द वचूंक जाय तेणे शब्द फाटी घेवन ना पण ताज्या पेक्षा चड म्हाका अशें दिसता की असो इन्सिडंट जावंकूय जायना म्हजे कडेन हांवूय तिडकीन गेलो फुडें आय मायसेल्फ डीड नॉट नो वॉट मेड मी टू डू दॅट आनी त्यामुळे म्हाका स्वताक बरोबर दिसना तें म्हजे कडच्यान परत चुकून सुद्दां डायरेक्ट अशें हाका येवप जावचें ना.
Whatever differences we may have, whatever these we may have, but still we have managed the decorum of this house. And I would urge that let us forget what has happened and we will see that same thing carries on in this assembly.
Earlier in the day, the Assembly proceedings witnessed the uproar in the House over the discussion on the hosting of the National Games in Goa. The Sports Minister Manohar Asgaonkar failed to provide satisfactory reply to questions raised by the opposition and the ruling MLAs on the hosting of the National Games. Legislators across the party affiliation alleged that five-star hotels and niche hospitality projects were being surreptitiously brought in under the guise of infrastructure creation for the 2014 National Games in Goa.
धारगळची जमीन ही 9,19,789 स्क्वेअर मीटर अशी म्हटलेली आसा. गेली 2 वर्सां ह्या प्रश्नाचेर धारगळच्या जमनी संदर्भात आमी उलयतात 18 लाखां वयल्यान सुरू जाल्ली मागीर 13 लाखांचेर आयली 9 लाखांचेर आयली बरें जालें पूण फुडें हांवें नजर मारली स्पीकर सर जाल्यार पेडणे आनीक पेडण्यात मांद्रे आनी हरमल मेळून 6,77,270 नवीन जमीन मागता हो म्हणजे हे मोदीच
हे प्रोजेक्ट जेन्ना फायदेशीर नाल्यार येवचे नात आनी बरोबर ना जाल्यार आमी करचे नात स्पीकर सर
408
आरांबोल आणि मांद्रेची ही जमीन घेवपाक तुवें त्या पंचायतीक बीन कितें खबर आसा त्या पंचायतीक ग्रामसभेक खबर आसा तूं अचानक आयलो आणि लाखांनी स्क्वेअर मीटर जमीन तूं एक्विजिशनाक प्रपोज करता कितें प्रकार हो कितें खातीर
पीपीपी मॉडेलांच्यान स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट केन्ना पासून फायनान्स जावपाक लागलें कॉन्सोलिडेटेड फंड ऑफ इंडिया कॉन्सोलिडेटेड फंड ऑफ गोवा नांवाचें प्रकरण आसा काय ना Is sport department capable of handling PPP? Then why don't you transfer PPP model to them? If they can do something in PPP for sports stadium, I agree with it. Why are they indulging into 5-star hotels, fine restaurants, spas? हे कितें पैसे करपाचे रॅकेट what does 5-star hotel have to do with the game? What does a fine cuisine restaurant has to do with the game when there are 23 restaurants in the 500 meters area?
नॅशनल गेमीचे जे भुरगे आसा
Cost of national game, not only that, 3 times the cost of...
No, national game जो आसा तो national game is a different concept. It is up to certain standard of the children coming all over India. They are not going to go in 5-star dining. They are not going to stay in 7-star in Mandre, Pedne and Kampal.
एकच जाग्याचेर तुम्ही जे पळय सगळे इंडोर कॉम्प्लेक्स हे ते डेव्हलप ग्राउंड डेव्हलप करता ते गेम्स जातकीर नंतर कितें जातलें ते तुमकां खावपा येतलें म्हणून आनी म्हणून तुमी करता आसतना हे सगळे ग्राउंड गोंयभर डेव्हलप करा म्हणून जाल्यार ह्या हातूंत भितर काणकोणचो उल्लेख ना कुंकळ्ळेचो उल्लेख ना पैंगीणचो उल्लेख ना त्या सायडीन चर्चिला पसून एरिया ग्राउंड आहा ते पसून हे पळय फिलिप नरी एरिया ग्राउंड आहा ते एटलिस्ट ह्या निमित्यान ते डेव्हलप जावन पडूं ते कित्याक घेना तुमी
One question is, what has 5-star hotel to do with sports? There are so many 5-star hotels in Goa. Second question is, why are you concentrating only in Pedne or only in one particular
Mandre and Arambol.
Why not spread it in Kankon? I will also say, why not in Sattari also?
Sports Minister Manohar Asgankar replied to the House that the Sports Department was considering the PPP model because the projects were otherwise not feasible.
स्पीकर सर, आमचे जे हे साधन सुविधा आम्ही जे बांधतले पीपीपी वयल्यान त्याचे मेंटेनन्स आमकां करपाक जाय, आमकां पयसो भरपूर जाय. स्पीकर जाणा आज आमचे जे स्टेडियम आसा त्याची हालत किती जाल्या ती आज एक फातोडा स्टेडियम आसा आज फ्लड लायट आसलें पडना. स्पीकर सर ते रिन्युवेशन जावपाची गरज आसा, पयसो इतलो खंयच्यान हाडपाचो. स्पीकर सर फाल्यां आमकां हें बांदून बेश्टें सोडपाचें ना, हेचो फ्युचर आमी विचार करपाक जाय 100-200 वर्सांचो.
विचारचो विचार करू नका तुम्ही.
न्ही स्पीकर सर नाल्यार बांदून काय फायदो ना हे. म्हणून हांव म्हणटा हे आमी तयार करतात, हेचो पयसो एसजीक मेळटलो ह्या हेचो स्पीकर सर आनी तेजे वयल्यान मेंटेनन्स जातले आनी जे प्लेयर जे खेळाडू त्यांची रावची सोय जातली त्यांचो एंटरटेनमेंटूय थंय जातलो. स्पीकर सर ह्यो सगळ्यो स्पीकर सर स्पीकर सर
including what he said,
स्पीकर सर
budget is 458 crores.
पण स्पीकर सर हे प्रोजेक्ट जेन्ना फायदेशीर नाल्यार येवचे नात आणि बरोबर नाल्यार आमी करचे नात. स्पीकर सर
458 कोटी
आणि ते प्रोजेक्ट येतना एकाय कॉन्फिडन्सान घेता हांव ते येता
घेवपाची म्हाका नाका तांचे भानगडीत.
Minister's reply was unsatisfactory to the opposition members. The proceedings of the House were stalled as members from both sides stormed the well. Legislators from the ruling and opposition benches almost exchanged blows and the assembly marshals had to physically intervene to stop legislators from both sides from assaulting each other. After the uproar, assembly had to be adjourned till 2:30 p.m.
स्पीकर सर
He is not answering. What can I do? I can't force him.
नाही स्पीकर सर
He has no plan. He is only talking about PPP.
One is 5-star hotels. There are plenty of 5-star hotels in Goa. Do you need 5-star hotels for playing games? Second, why not spread the thing all over Goa? That's all. These are the two questions you can reply.
As far as
And you are not appointed a consultant.
hosting
Consultants give a
national games
feasibility
at
report.
various places, if it is not feasible and because of certain things, it will not go for it.
सर त्या डिपार्टमेंटान योग्य त्या डिपार्टमेंटान हे हँडल करूंक जाय.
No, that we will see.
You cannot ask sports department to handle 5-star hotel PPP project.
We have a
And why should a 5-star hotel be promoted by state government when private investors are ready to do it?
स्पीकर सर लास्ट अनेक सांगता स्पीकर सर
They will go on.
स्पीकर सर लास्ट सांगता पीपीपी प्रोजेक्ट जेन्ना जातले जेन्ना आमचो टेक्निकल कन्सल्टंट फायनान्शियल कन्सल्टंट या तुजो लिगल कन्सल्टंट आमकां मान्यता दितलो तेन्नाच पीपीपी मॉडेल जातले.